Gedi Welding is one of the largest manufacturers in Europe and exports welding consumables and welding machines to more than 90 countries around the world under its internationally registered trademarks Gedi, Hendek, and Hendek. The company also generates robotic solutions and welding automation equipment for the various industries under the brand name Gedi Robotics, both in Turkey and overseas. Gedi Welding was established in 1963 and today is a global industry leader in the field of welding consumables and types of equipment. The company manufactures 100,000 tons a year of quality-coated welding electrodes, brazing rods, special repair and maintenance products, as well as gas-shielded arc, submerged arc, flux-cored welding wires, rectifiers, gas-shielded arc, and submerged arc welding generators.